What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. And since Windows 11 has released, many of the users are not able to do a function named drag and drop like they used it before in Windows 10. So in this video we're gonna find out, is it really removed from the Windows 11 or it is just a myth. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so first of all, let's check my Windows version to conclude things. I'm gonna open run and type here Windows version shortcut, and here is my Windows build. It is 21H2, approximately about 22,000 build, OS build, and it is a really updated version right now. So I'm gonna go with it, click OK, and let's test it. Okay, right now I have two explorers running in the background. One of them is the file explorer, documents folder in it, and the second one is WinRAR archiver. So let's say I have to copy this RAR file or application from here and then paste or drop it in the documents folder here, which is the real purpose of the drag and drop feature. So how can I do it? In Windows 10, we used to simply primary click the file we want to drop and then move it to the taskbar. And then simply head to the application and the thumbnail pops up, hover the mouse and drop it there. But right now in Windows 11, nothing is really happening. So how can we access this feature, or is it really removed from Windows 11? There is an answer, which is top secret, and the secret is this feature is absolutely not removed from the Windows 11. But there is a secret way to access it in Windows 11. It is completely different, precise and enhanced instead of Windows 10. So what we have to do, we have to primary click or left click the file we want to drag and drop into the another application. So click the file, hold your primary mouse button, and you can see I have picked it up. Or if you don't see, if I go to the taskbar, its thumbnail is appearing, the file's thumbnail is appearing, but a don't mark is showing up. I will also explain what does this don't mark means. So all you have to do is go to the file you want to paste it on and simply from your mouse scroll up. Yes, use the scroll key and scroll a little, and its thumbnail will appear like this. Hover the mouse, it is open, and boom, here you go, your file is dropped. If you don't understand it, I'm gonna repeat the process. Simply left click, hold it, go to the file, scroll up, its thumbnail will appear, hover on it and paste the file in any direction or in any space. Okay, as you all saw, we just performed the drag and drop function in Windows 11. So the conclusion is the feature is not completely removed. Instead, it is precised and enhanced, so we can access it through different ways. The next question arises is, what does this mark means? So if we drag and drop any file into the toolbar, no matter anywhere or in any space we get it, we will get this don't mark here. So what does it mean? In Windows 11, when you pick up a file and take it all the way to the toolbar, it reads it as a pinning process, which is pinned to the toolbar or pinned to the taskbar. And this mark means that you cannot just drag and drop a file into the toolbar to pin it into the toolbar. It doesn't mean we have to take this to another application or files. That's not it. It reads it as a pinning process. So that's why it's showing this mark. Otherwise, as you just saw, we performed the drag and drop function without using any third-party software or registry configurations, and there is a secret way. So this was the quick tutorial for how we can access the drag and drop feature in Windows 11. Hope you guys enjoyed and liked the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification to get all the updates. See you in the next video. Take care.